I look back on the way I was then. A young, stupid kid who committed that terrible crime. I want to talk to him. I want to try to talk some sense to him. Tell him the way things are. But I can't. That kid's long gone, and this old man is all that's left. I gotta live with that. Rehabilitated. It's just a bullshit word. So you go on and stamp your form, Sonny, and stop wasting my time. Because to tell you the truth, I don't give a shit.
Big up from me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli Show. It's the Dihalli. It's the Dihalli Show.